everybody. Today I'm going to show you the ceiling, putting it on, starting out with this piece. This is an original piece off the old trailer, and it accepts, as you'll see it here, this is got the grooves to accept the full sheet, and it slides right into the groove there. There's a close-up right there, and then you just kind of push it in and hold it in place while you mount the next piece. There it is. That one's already mounted. I'll show you how they mount, or how they're held on here in just a little bit. So that's how the piece goes. And then there's a piece that has a shiny aluminum. They're on top. There you go. There are the joists, lack of better terms, it's the ceiling joists, and they're tapered, and you'll see a little better close-up of that in the video, or I should say the snapshots here. And then those joists are screwed in from the sides. And there's the metal piece that you put on towards the end, or after you put on a full sheet. And what it does, it has the ability for you to slide in the next piece, as you can see there. And there's be a close-up of one of these in here in just a little bit. So this is the second sheet here. And there you can kind of see a little close-up. That's a reflection, not a gap. And there you can see the metal piece, and then again the slit where you slide in the next piece of paneling. I tried my hand at polishing those pieces before putting them up. Came out okay. Again, there's the first piece, and it is curved in the back. That's the way the back end of these trailers are. They're curved downward. And then the next ones kind of follow the roof. Now you see the black swirls, but there you can see the groove where that piece unites or brings the two pieces of paneling together. Like I said, that's the better shot of that piece of metal. But it's also connected to one of those ceiling joists. And there we're getting ready to slide in another piece. Getting ready to slide it in, kind of sagging there for a minute, but the guys are going to hold it. I'm just taking snapshots. And now this is putting together a piece of the ceiling, and those are the joists, and this is a double one that's going to go. In actuality, I did this in the back, and I also did it in the front. Wherever there's a fan, going to be a ceiling fan or possibly an air conditioner. This is doubling up or beefing up the ceiling joists so that it can handle the weight of a roof air. You got to remember, a roof air conditioner unit runs anywhere from 75 to 85 pounds, depending on the make and model and the brand that you get. So I doubled them up, I glued it in place, and I clamped it and made sure they're nice and dry. Now here is a shot of all the ceiling joists, but if you look over there, the ones that have the braces that go side to side, right there, they're doubled up. That will accept a ceiling fan and an air conditioner, or an air conditioner, I should say. And there is the completed pieces for today. I have 4 full sheets. I have a small, maybe 20-inch piece left of the ceiling, and the ceiling will be done. Then I'm going to start curving it downward and start closing it up. This is a look from the back towards the front. There's the last piece. And like I said, one is like a 20-inch piece. Again, there's another look from the front looking back, the last union piece for lack of better terms, and another look from the front to the back. I still have the braces in the front on. I don't need them anymore. It's nice and rigid now. Thanks again to my neighbors, Jeff and George, for helping me out with these ceiling pieces. Awkward to do it by myself.